What do you do if you want to send a chat message at a later date or time? Maybe it's outside of normal office hours, or you know the recipient isn't available until the next day. Fortunately, in Teams, you can schedule the chat message so it's sent at a date and time that you control. To schedule a chat message, first, compose your message in chat. Next, right-click on the Send button in the bottom right. Then from the pop-up menu, choose the date and time that you'd like to send the message. So I know Adele isn't available today, so I'm going to wait until Monday morning. Then pick the Continue button and click Send. This message now will automatically be delivered on Monday morning rather than right now. But what if you need to edit a scheduled chat? Even if you have a chat message scheduled, you can still edit that. All I need to do is hover over this message and look for my handy pencil. This is for editing. Next, I'll make the changes. And when we're finished editing, we'll use the Done option, which is the check mark. If instead you want to change the delivery of the message, we'll go back to Edit once again, and then look for this link where we can then change the delivery time. And so let's say I want to make this a little bit later in the morning. Once again, Continue, and then Done. And if you change your mind and want to delete the scheduled chat message, here are the steps. Once again, we'll hover over that message. This time we'll go to More Options, the three dots, and here is that Delete option. Try these handy tricks to schedule and edit your chat messages in Teams. To learn more ways to be productive with Microsoft Teams or to join my free tips newsletter, visit thesoftwarepro.com/teams. If this training was helpful, please subscribe to this channel for other time-saving software tips. Thanks for watching.